Hey everybody, so this is going to be a really quick video. I just got home and there's this cool giant box right here waiting for me. So, as I do with everything that comes into this house that's business related, I make a video for you. So, let's look at what's inside. My mac and cheese is ready. I just got home from Amazon and I'm hungry. Yes, I am hungry. All right. Can you guess what's in the box? Who can guess what's in the box? 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 Well, you can't see it very well, but that's what's in the box. Here's a hint. So, I bought a new printer. I bought the Epson 2720. I got it off of the Epson clearance website because another embroidery friend mentioned it. And so, if you haven't learned already, Kay is always trying to save money. So, I bought it from there. And yeah, we're about to enter the wonderful world of sublimation. Yes. Didn't know that was what some of the designs I bought was. And now I know. So, yes, sublimation. All right, I'm going to turn this off because I just realized that I have the phone sitting upright and you are now getting the goofy wide screen on the sides, which I hate. I don't like producing videos like that. Turn this off for a second, put the phone down so that I could take the printer out of the box, and then I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. And of course, always in the interest of finding something to try and then use for the business and also to teach all of you, I bought this printer and I don't have all the supplies for it yet. I need to watch my girl Alicia on Craft Teacher. I need to watch some of her videos on sublimation and then order all of the things. So when I buy all of the things, which I will order today, and get them in, we will venture forth into the wonderful world of sublimation. Because listen, when you're trying to build a business, you want to explore all of the things. And since I'm doing, kids' shirts and whatnot, sublimation is another medium that I can use that is a quick and easy. It's a quick and easy way to get a shirt done. Embroidery takes some time, and whatnot. Sewing takes time. So this is something that can be done quickly. I'm going to put this back in the box and we'll have another video as soon as I have all the stuff. Deuces.